I'm Taylor Nickel, and I grew up on sport court, which is the truth. I remember going to Argyle Elementary a long time ago, and they had an old rubber floor that had bubbles in it. And so it's seared in my mind just how awful it was and how much of a thing it was, that I remember going into high school and they put in a really nice court. So that was when I started noticing, oh, there's a difference. I remember sport court and club season. When I went to college, we got another new court, sport court. So it was just that emblem really truly was really noticeable. And whenever you jump on it, you can tell. But I think I probably recognized sport court the most whenever I played club, played in college at different tournaments, because we travel. You can tell who has one and not. And then when I coached club. So I've been on sport court the entirety of my career. What I what's in my heart is playing on the indoor volleyball sport courts. As a volleyball player, you can ask any volleyball player. You can tell when you are jumping on a sport court. It just has the bounce and the give, and your knees and ankles don't hurt after you play on it. I mean, I'm telling you, there's a difference. Because no one wants to play on a court that hurts. Nobody. I've played on courts and it's painful, and I am a fit, healthy athlete, and it's painful to play on that, and it really can mess you up, and it can lead to a lot of injuries for sure. So I think truly, as a product, I think that and probably the balls are the most impactful part of the sport, would be the court and the balls. It's just, I don't know, it's a product that I remember for so many years in something that was so present in all of the most fun moments of my playing life. It was always there.